Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Joy and today we are going to be discussing about the incredible benefits of ginger. Ginger is not only a popular spice but also a traditional remedy in various cultures. It contains bioactive compounds with potential health benefits. Before I start this video, please don't forget to subscribe in order to get notified every time I upload new videos. Here are some well-explained benefits of ginger. 1. Anti-inflammatory properties. Ginger contains bioactive compounds like gingerol, which has potential anti-inflammatory effects. Chronic inflammation is linked to various health issues, and ginger may help in reducing inflammation. 2. Antioxidant effect. Ginger is rich in antioxidants that help protect the body from oxidative stress and free radicals. Antioxidants play a crucial role in preventing cell damage and aging. 3. Nausea and motion sickness. Ginger has a long history of being used to alleviate nausea, especially morning sickness in pregnancy and nausea related to chemotherapy. It's also effective for motion sickness and general upset stomach. 4. Digestive health. Ginger can stimulate saliva production and suppress gastric contraction as food and fluids move through the gut tract, potentially relieving indigestion and discomfort. 5. Pain relief. Due to its anti-inflammatory properties, ginger may help reduce muscle pain and soreness, making it beneficial for athletes and those with chronic pain conditions. 6. Lowering blood sugar levels. Some studies suggest that ginger may help in lowering blood sugar levels by increasing insulin sensitivity. This could be beneficial for managing diabetes or preventing its onset. 7. Reducing menstrual pain. Ginger has been shown to be effective in reducing menstrual pain, possibly by inhibiting the production of certain inflammatory substances. 8. Lowering cholesterol levels. Some research indicates that ginger may have a modest effect on lowering cholesterol levels, which can contribute to heart health. 9. Immune system support. The antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties of ginger may contribute to overall immune system support, helping the body defend against infection. 10. Cancer prevention. Some studies suggest that ginger may have potential cancer-fighting properties. Although more research is needed in this area, the antioxidant in ginger may help against certain types of cancer. 11. Weight management. Ginger may help with weight management by promoting a feeling of fullness and potentially increasing calorie expenditure through its thermogenic effect. 12. Improved cognitive function. Preliminary studies suggest that the antioxidant and bioactive compounds in ginger may have neuroprotective effects, potentially contributing to improved cognitive function. It's important to note that while ginger offers numerous potential health benefits, it's not a cure-all and individual responses can vary. Always consult with a healthcare professional before using ginger as a supplement, especially if you have any existing medical condition or are taking medication. So thank you for staying with me until the end of the video. Please don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to get more videos every time I upload. See you in the next video.